Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video, I am just going to give an overview about one of the most important legal principles that is used in the case of private international law. The name of the legal maxim is Lex Loci Celebrationis. So the Lex Loci Celebrationis principle is a fundamental concept in private international law that determines the validity and formal requirements of a contract, primarily focusing on the law of the place where the contract is celebrated or executed. The principle recognizes that the law of the place where the contract is formed holds significant relevance in determining its validity and enforceability. Under the Lex Loci Celebrationis principle, the formalities required for the formation of a contract, such as the form and manner of acceptance, are governed by the law of the jurisdiction where the contract is concluded. This means that the contractual requirements, including the mode of offer and acceptance, the presence of witness, and any necessary formalities, are determined by laws of the jurisdiction where the contract was entered into. The principle of Lex Loci Celebrationis applies to a wide range of contracts, including those related to the commercial transactions, sale of goods, services, and even marriage contracts. For example, if two parties from different jurisdictions enter into a contract in a particular country, the formalities required for the contract's validity will be determined by the law of the country where the contract was executed. However, it is important to note in this that the Lex Loci Celebrationis principle does not govern substantive contractual rights and obligations. Instead, its primarily focus on the form and validity of a contract. The substantive aspects of the contract, such as the performance, interpretation, and remedies, are typically governed by the law chosen by the parties or determining through the conflict of law rules. These are exceptions and limitations of the Lex Loci Celebrationis principle. In some cases, if the parties may choose to expressly designate the governing law of their contract, regardless of the place of execution, the principle of party autonomy allows the parties to select the different law to govern the contract's formalities and other substantive aspects. However, such a choice must not violate the public policy or mandatory provisions of the jurisdiction where the contract is executed. And the Lex Loci Celebrationis principle serves several important purposes in private international law. Firstly, it provides legal certainty to cases involving immovable property, intellectual property rights, and may subject to specific foral requirements. And it is also used as it provides legal certainty and predictability by establishing a clear framework for determining the formal requirements of the contract. So now I'm just going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubt related to this legal concept or the legal principle of Lex Loci Celebrationis, you can just ping me in the comment box and I will get to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much and have a nice day.